Okay, guys, hi. I'm going to demonstrate what I've learned this week 9. So first is I'm going to highlight this because this is not so. I'm going to make this bigger. Then click this. Okay, click that again. Now they are bigger, better. So I'm going to get the total price of this item here. So what I'm going to do is to click the equals number and then the quantity times the no first is close parenthesis before you do that, and then the quantity times the price, and then close parenthesis again, and then times, and then the middle open parenthesis again, and then type 1 to get the discount, subtract, and then the click the discount, then close parenthesis. Then this is the total price, okay, of this item. So what I'm going to do is to double click. You can drag it or double click it, okay. So what I've learned also, this is the one that I really like because it's really hard for me. So anyway, we also learn about conditional formatting. So for now, I'm going to use the data bar, like this one here, or this one, like this quantity. Go to the conditional and the data bar. You pick the color you want. Means that this one, I like this one. So this one, you can see here that this one is the one that has colors, is the biggest, the highest one. And then if you want to change this, like you want to be 7, then you see, as you see. And then also if you don't want to do the number, you can manage the rules here in ADL, and then show bars only. Apply, okay. There you go. So the next one is this, the total price here. I want to them to show the top 10, or not top 10 because yeah, uh, top 5 or top 2, okay, highest. So for now it's top 10 here. I can do 3 maybe. So then you can put the color that you want. I want this one, whatever, yellow. Okay, okay. There you go. This is the top 3 prices. And also you can also use the icon. Anyway, if you don't want this for now, you can clear it. There you go. It's gone. And also I also like this one here. The color scales. This one. The green is the highest, and the yellow, or you can see it here. You can also edit this one. Oh, no, this one, manage roles. And there you go. The lowest is red, midpoint is yellow, and maximum is green. You can change the color if you want to, like blue, like whatever crazy color you want here. Not really crazy. There you go, apply, okay. This is crazy, so don't use that, okay? So delete that for now. And also I like the arrow one here. Like using the icon here, like this one. So this one is the highest, only one, biggest one. And also I like this one, you can choose to change, take off the icon that you don't like. So you go here and manage rules and edit it. And then I don't want the X there because it's annoying. So I click this, then boom, apply, okay. There you go, it's gone. Okay, I think that is well. There are many more that you can do here, but I don't have time. So next time again. Thank you.